Okay, I'm going to do this Loom video on multiplying with the area model and the standard algorithm. So let's take a look. All right, so let me come up with a problem off the top of my head to start. We will do 45 times 26. So when we are doing the area model, what I'm going to do right now is I am going to draw my area model, which is just a rectangle. All right, and 45. I'm going to break it up, and I'm going to split up my factors. So I'm going to break it apart. I'm going to decompose it by place value. So 45, I'm going to do 40 and 5, and then 26, 20, and 6. Now, it doesn't make a difference what you use as your multiplier or what you use as your unit. So I could put the 45 up on top. I could put the 26 on the side. And actually what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to switch the 20 and the 6 because like we discussed in class, it will give you the same products, but you will see when we do the standard algorithm, the first partial product that we multiply is with the ones. So that's why I'm going to put the 6 up on top. So I'm just going to change my color. And here we go. So when I am multiplying with the area models, if I want to find out what partial product is going to go in here, I'm going to shoot straight to the top, straight to the side. So 40 times 6. 40 times 6, I know, well, I do my basic fact of 4 times 6 is 24, and then add that 0 to the end. So 240. Now I'm going to do 5 times 6, and 5 times 6 is 30. Next, I'm going to go into here, into this partial product, straight to the top, my factor is 40, straight to the side, my factor is 20. So 40 times 20, going to do 4 times 2 is 8, and I have 2 zeros. It's 800. So 4 tens times 2 tens, 4 times 2, and you have 2 powers of 10, which is 100. So 800. Now I'm going to go in here. 5 times 20. 5 times 20. 5 times 2 is 10. And one more 0 is 100. So these are my 4 partial products. All right. Now I'm just going to add up my 4 partial products, and that will give us our sum. So now here, you could add these in any order. I mean, what I would do is, as long as you're lining up your place values, is I would start with my greater. I would like to start with my 800 and my 100. I could combine in my head that 800 and 100 is 900, or I will write them all out. 800, 100. So I did my 800. I did my 100. 240. And then 30, making sure that you're lining up here. That 30 is going in the tens place and the ones place. Do not shift it over and put this 3 in your hundreds place. All right. Now I'm going to add all my partial products up. 0, 7, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. 1,170. Now, if I went and did 45 times 26 doing the standard algorithm, This is here. So SA will stand for standard algorithm. Here we go. I'm going to do 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 4 is 24, plus that 3 is 27. I'm done with that. And really, I'm now done with that 6. I'm now going to the 2, which is 2 in the tens place. So because it's in the tens place, I'm going to put my placeholder. And a tens place is 1 place value, 1 power of 10. So I put that 0. Now 2 times 5 is 10. Put the 1 up top. 0 down here. 2 times 4 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. Add up our two partial products. Does 1,170 does line up with our 1,170 right there. So area model, standard algorithm gives you the same product. Okay. Now, if I wanted to do one here and make it a 3x2, let's say I had 347 times 26. I will do this quick over here. Here's my area model. Whoop. Sorry. Something happened on my Jamboard. Okay. So let's say, all right, there's my area model. Now, my 347 I'm going to put up top. So I'm going to break it up into 300, 40, and 7. And now the 26 is going to go on the side, 20 and 6. So you'll see there's just one more column in my area model because I had over here a 3-digit number, a 3-digit factor. It goes to the hundreds place. But now you will see I'm going to do it the exact same way. All right. Inside this box is I'm going to do 300 times 20. 2 times 3 is 6 with our 3 zeros. So that gives me 6,000. 20 times 40. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 zeros. And 20 times 7. 2 times 7 is 14 with 1 zero. That's 140. Let me make that. There you go. 140. Now, so really now I've already used that factor on the side. Now 6 times 300. 6 times 3 is 18 with 2 zeros. 1,800. 6 times 40. 6 times 4 is 24. Add a 0. 240. And 6 times 7 is 42. So you will see this does add now 2 more partial products, but I'm going to add everything up. So I'm going to start with my 6,000. I'm going to go now down here, 1,800. I'm going to go into the 800, 240, 140, and 42. So as long as you're lining all your place values up neatly, the addition here should not be too difficult. So let's do 0 all the way down and a 2. 0, 0, 0, and then we have 4, 4, and 4. I know is 12. 1 and 0 is 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 and 8 is 17. And 2 is 19. And 1 is 20. 2 and 6 is 8. And 1 is 9. So it should be 9,022. So here is our area model. If I wanted to go and do 347, 347 times 26 using the standard algorithm, let's give that a go right now. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 4 is 24. And 4 more is 28. 6 times 3 is 18. And 2 is 20. I'm done with those factors. Now I'm going to put my placeholder. And now let's use the 2 here, which is really 20. 2 times 7 is 14. Carry the 1. 2 times 4 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. 2 times 3 is 6. Let's add those up. 2. 8 and 4 is 12. 1 and 0 is 1. Plus 9 is 10. 1 and 2 is 3. 3 and 6 is 9. So 9,022. Got worried for a second that those products were not going to match up. But you will see it's the same product, whether you're doing area model or standard algorithm. All right, so let's go back to the beginning. That was this Loom video on multiplying with the area model and standard algorithm.